Welcome. Today we will explore on environmental awareness, small steps that make a global difference. In the modern world, environmental challenges such as climate change, deforestation, pollution, and the loss of biodiversity are pressing issues that affect every corner of the globe. While these problems may seem enormous and insurmountable, the truth is that small, consistent actions by individuals and communities can collectively lead to significant positive impacts. Environmental awareness is not just about understanding these issues, it is about taking tangible steps to protect and preserve the planet for current and future generations. One of the simplest ways to promote environmental awareness is through conscious consumption. Choosing products with minimal packaging, supporting eco-friendly brands, and reducing single-use plastics are practical measures that can drastically reduce waste. For instance, using reusable bags, bottles, and containers may seem minor on an individual level, but when adopted widely, these habits significantly lower the amount of plastic that ends up in oceans and landfills. Similarly, prioritizing locally produced goods helps reduce carbon emissions associated with transportation, while also supporting sustainable agricultural practices. Energy conservation is another crucial area where small actions can create a global difference. Turning off lights, appliances, and electronic devices when not in use, utilizing energy-efficient bulbs and appliances, and considering renewable energy sources like solar panels all contribute to reducing carbon footprints. Even small lifestyle adjustments, such as setting thermostats efficiently or reducing water heating, can save energy and decrease greenhouse gas emissions over time. Transportation choices also play a vital role in environmental sustainability. Walking, cycling, carpooling, or using public transportation instead of relying solely on private vehicles reduces air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. When driving is unavoidable, maintaining vehicles properly to ensure fuel efficiency and adopting eco-friendly driving habits can make a measurable difference. Moreover, supporting policies that promote sustainable infrastructure, such as bike lanes and public transit systems, further amplifies the impact of individual efforts. Environmental awareness extends beyond personal actions. It involves engaging with communities, raising awareness, and advocating for policies that protect natural resources. Participating in local cleanup initiatives, tree planting drives, and educational campaigns encourages collective action and fosters a culture of sustainability. Sharing knowledge about the importance of recycling, conserving water, and protecting wildlife inspires others to adopt environmentally responsible behaviors, creating a ripple effect that spreads awareness and action globally. In essence, environmental awareness is the bridge between knowledge and action. Each small step, whether it is reducing waste, conserving energy, making sustainable transportation choices, or advocating for greener policies, contributes to a larger movement toward a healthier planet. By integrating these practices into daily life, individuals can become powerful agents of change, demonstrating that even small efforts have the potential to create a global difference. Thank you for your patience hearing.